Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Instinct 2 Solar. Let's begin with basic navigation. Your watch features 5 intuitive buttons. To access the main menu and customize your watch face, simply press and hold the menu button on the left side. When you want to select an option or begin an activity, use the GPS button located on the top right. Navigating through menus and data fields is easy with the up and down buttons. Next, let's talk about the impressive solar charging capabilities. Your Instinct 2 Solar can achieve virtually unlimited battery life in smartwatch mode, provided it receives enough sunlight. Even without solar input, the watch offers up to 28 days of battery life. For the best solar performance, aim for at least 3 hours of daily outdoor exposure to 50,000 lux conditions. While GPS activities consume more power, solar charging helps extend your adventures considerably. Now let's explore the comprehensive health and fitness tracking. Your watch continuously monitors your heart rate, stress levels, and body battery energy throughout the day and night. It also offers advanced sleep tracking, giving you a detailed sleep score and insights into your sleep stages. With built-in GPS, you can accurately track a wide range of activities, from running and cycling to swimming and hiking. Plus, gain valuable performance insights with features like VO2 max and training load. Finally, personalize your watch and leverage its smart features. You can customize your watch face with a variety of data fields, including weather, daily steps, and smart notifications. Stay connected by receiving alerts from your phone right on your wrist. For added convenience, the Solar Edition includes Garmin Pay for contactless payments. Easily sync all your activity data and create custom courses by connecting your watch to the Garmin Connect app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.